بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله ولتنظر نفس ما قدمت لغد واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون ولا تكونوا كالذين نسوا الله فأنساهم أنفسهم أولئك هم الفاسقون لا يستوي أصحاب النار أصحاب الجنة هم الفائزون لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون صدق الله العظيم भगवद गीता यदा यदा हि धर्मेषु ग्लानि भवति भारत अवत्थानमद नष्टतरांसिदं मन परितान्नां साधुनां विनाशाय चतुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय সম্ভব আমি যুগে যুগে ভগবান শ্রীকৃষ্ণ বলেছে যখন ধর্মের জ্ঞানী অর্থাৎ অধর্ম বৃদ্ধি পায় তখন আমি যুগে যুগে অবতীর্ণ হয়ে দুষ্টকে বিনাশ করি সাধুকে রক্ষা করি পুনরায় ধর্ম সংস্থাপন করি ওম শান্তি ওম শান্তি ওম
Students program is SSC Payroll program. In this program, present Honorable President of this program, founder of AB Coaching Center, and present special chief guest, present guest, and all the guardians and beloved students. Assalamu alaikum. At first, actually, I am not a speaker in this function. Just my teacher and Dr. Rahman has directed me to say something about how I have been successful in my student life. At first, I want to introduce myself. I am Mohammad Munir Shah, student of Oxford University, VBA in Marketing first year. I have taken this year just this position by struggle marks. By passing primary level, then I was a student of Jitka Anandamohan High School in class 6 C-section. As a student of C-section, I was not so brilliant student that time because I faced many problems that time, and I felt generally in English again and again. When I was a student of class 7, then I was failed to subject, especially in English. When I was a student of class 8, then I could not give up this habit. I again tried to subject, especially in English. Then I could understand English is so important. If I could pass in English, then I could pass all the subjects. That time, I memorized all the topics of English. By memorizing, I could pass English. And I need 15 days to memorize a composition and 5 days for paragraph, later application, etc. But this position, I memorized. By memorizing these questions, I could pass English. That time, I could pass all the subjects, and my position was 9th in class 9 section. That time, we got to know about AB Coaching Center, and I came here in this coaching center some with my friends. We are not lucky person like you because we were the student of AB Coaching Center, but not Upper Roman Sir. That time we are a student of Mushi Roman, was student of Atul Rahman sir. After 2-3 months, probably, we were able to be students of Atul Rahman sir. And after 3 or 4 classes, I see really English is so easy because the teaching style of Atul Rahman sir and method techniques are so easy and understandable to all the students. For this reason, the students of English, and all time I insert my teacher Atul Rahman sir. At the last position, at that time I did not memorize any paragraph composition. I could write freehanding. Thus, I have taught my teacher. When I was a student of class 10, then I was first boy of Jitkanand High School in from command. Generally, first boy comes from science, but I broke out all the previous lecture records of Jitka School. When I was first boy, I was very inspired by my teacher Atul Rahman sir. And after passing SSC, I got myself admitted into Dhaka Commerce College. This is the famous college in our country. So the students of this college are so brilliant. It was impossible to be the copy the students of this college. But when we communicate with our teacher, then we need English. But I did not feel any frustration. Just it was possible for my teacher Atul Rahman. And I did not feel any frustration, and I did not feel any private tutor. But our friends, other friends needed private tutor, and they went to coaching center to reach. But I did not feel. I do not need any private tutor. So when I first after completing any methods, it is so understandable and very easy, and I could pass English, and my position was this level, and I got chance in the Dhaka University hotel management subject. But I did not interesting to read this subject because this subject is not demandable subject in your country. It demands just for other countries. I got also some in Jagannath University, but I did not like it because the facilities in Jagannath University are less than other public university. Well, as a student of intermediate level, I liked so much science marketing, so I got chance in the Russian University in marketing. For this reason, and this campus are also beautiful and nice, so I like it so much. And we know that BBA program is English medium. As a student of Bangla medium, my background is Bangla medium, but now I read in English medium. But sometimes my friends face because our college, Pauline University, Buet Medical Institution, and you are the model of this coaching center, and your brother, younger brother or younger sister follow you. Okay, and our teacher also proud for you. And our teacher also be model to other teachers, or other teachers follow my teacher MD Atul Rahman. So really, if I inform thanks to Atul Rahman sir, it is little for him, and he is the king of English in Maniganj, really, because I remember him, and all time I will respect him because he is not my teacher, but also he is my trust bearer. So I am highly requested to my Atul sir that to pray me to Allah so that I may go the best position in my student life. Thanks all, thanks Dorian, thanks our guests, thanks to Allah. Assalamu alaikum.
সেই সাথে আরো উপস্থিত হলে জিটকা খাজা রহমত আলী ডিগ্রি কলেজের একজন সিনিয়র লেকচারার জনাব মফিজুল হক ফিরোজ স্যার। আমরা তাদের মূল্যবান সময় থেকে আমাদেরকে সময় দেওয়ার জন্য কৃতজ্ঞ চিত্তে তাদেরকে ধন্যবাদ অভিনন্দন জানাচ্ছি। সে স্মরণাপন্ন হয়েছিল সেই এবি কোচিং সেন্টারের সম্মানিত প্রতিষ্ঠাতা পরিচালক শ্রী আতুর রহমান স্যারের সঙ্গে। তার দিক নির্দেশনায়, তার সহযোগিতায় সে একের পর এক বাধাগুলো অতিক্রম করতে সক্ষম হয়েছে। আমরা তার জীবনের সফলতার গল্প থেকে এতটুকু পরিষ্কার হতে পেরেছি যে তার জীবন ছিল দুঃখ কষ্টের। সে সকল দুঃখ কষ্টকে উপেক্ষা করে একমাত্র আতর রহমানের সহযোগিতায়, আতর রহমানের দিক নির্দেশনায় সে আজ বাংলাদেশের দ্বিতীয় অবস্থানরত পাবলিক ইউনিভার্সিটি রাজশাহী ইউনিভার্সিটিতে অধ্যয়নরত, এবং সে আগামীতে অনেক সুন্দর এবং সুউজ্জ্বল ভবিষ্যতে পদার্পণ করবে এমনটাই প্রত্যাশা আমাদের। আমি ব্যক্তিগত পক্ষ থেকে এবং অডিয়েন্সের পক্ষ থেকে মনির হোসেন বিশ্বাসকে অনেক অনেক অভিনন্দন ও শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি।
কবিতা আবৃত্তি করে শোনানোর জন্য আহ্বান জানাচ্ছি
মোসাম্মদ আহমেদ আক্তার হাসনান নাদের। আমি মোসাম্মদ
বিদায় দিতে এলাম মোরা, কাঁদো কেন যাবার বেলা, অশ্রু চোখে মুছে ফেলো, জ্বালাও তুমি শিখরে আলো। বিদায়ের মাঝে পাই খুঁজে খুঁজে সেই দিনগুলি, বন্ধু বান্ধব আর শিক্ষকের কথা আমরা যেন নাচে বলি। ভালোবাসা দিয়ে সেই শিখিয়েছেন করা, কোনো সময় মুখে যেন করেও না ফেলা। জগ আর দাস এর যে সম্পর্ক, জগ হলো শিক্ষক, দাস তার ছাত্র। জগ সে ঢালতে পারি, আমরা যদি না আনি, করবো কখন পার, এটাই হবে আমাদের শেষ পরিণাম। বিদায় বেলায় কি আর বলবো, শেষ কথা বলে অশ্রু জল দিব। সুখে থেকে সবাই মিলে পরীক্ষা দিও মন দিয়ে, নকল যেন নাহি করি, মন দিয়ে সবাই লেখাপড়া করি।
I will try to introduce, and before starting our difficult question, firstly I will remember the name of Allah who has really gracious and kindful for our government. And first, secondly, I will remember Hazrat Shah Muhammad Abul Qasim Sarwari OIC Gazi. I think all developments and all achievements of my Qasim Center, total item again, and I think my total position is under both of them. And firstly, I will highly thank all the power students and all the special guests that come to RTV that register and make up the some kinds of dear students. Thanks very much, and we are going to now start our competition. At first, I will request to say something. This is our first speaker, knowledge is power, Mr. Alim Dewan. Let's come to your audience and say something on this knowledge is power. Let's come to Alim Dewan.
Thank you very much, honorable moderator. Thank you very much, honorable jury. Thank you very much to give me the opportunity to say something on the topic of knowledge is power. Of course, knowledge is power. Socrates has proved knowledge is power. Hazrat Isa alayhi salam said, discover the power within you. That means knowledge is power. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, go to teach to acquire knowledge. That means knowledge is power. My wise friends, books are our best friends. All the books are knowledgeable. There are various types of books in Bangladesh. They could be divided into different categories, such as novel, short stories, poems, etc. Of course, I think all are knowledgeable. My wise friends, people read books according to their taste, according to their power, according to their knowledge. Wise person reads Quran by Allah, Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore, Sanchita by Kazi Nazrul Islam, Bishad Sindhu by Mir Mosharraf Hossain, Kobor by Josimuddin, etc. etc. But like you, who say man is power, they read, Hi hi oiloki by Zorina, তুমি আমার বাচ্চা কালের কদম গাছের ফুল বাইছো কিনা, তুমি আমার ময়না পক্ষীর খাও ভাই ফুল বানু, etc. etc. Of course, your thought is very nasty, your feeling is very dirty, your culture is very rough. My wife says, and say knowledge is power. I cannot be understanding, I cannot be realizing, I cannot be ensuring. Why are you saying so wrong? Whereas the whole world is saying knowledge is power. My wife says, come to the point and see everyone. Try to understand what I am saying. Money cannot give past, money cannot give happiness, money cannot give some power. My wife says, present day is the age of science. It has been possible only for knowledge. Knowledge has invented computer, which is the most wonderful addition of 20th century. It works like magic. It is a source of communication, it is a source of information, it is a source of recreation. Do you know who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage is the father of computers. He has proved knowledge is power, knowledge is computer, knowledge is the source of every invention. So it should be a slogan of all, knowledge is power. My voice friends are the Pratham Alo, the Itefaq, the Janakantho, the Amar Desh, the Dainik Bangla. Of course, I think all the newspapers are knowledgeable. My wife to read any newspaper. If you say yes, I will say why. Then of course you will say every newspaper provides information, every newspaper provides technology, every newspaper provides what is technology. Do you know what is the golden touch of development? Of course not. But you understand what money does in man's life? Of course not. But I know money makes a man miser, money makes a man greedy, money makes a man nonsense. My wife friends, let's go to the field of corruption, let's go to the field of criminals, let's go to the field of anti-social activities. Do you know who are directly or indirectly involved in this sector? Of course not, but I know. Have you heard the name of Bangla Bhai? Have you heard the name of Ershad Sikdar? Have behind the screen, Bangla Bhai made a crime society, Ershad Sikdar made a Swarna Mahal. They did everything for money. To kill the people, to torture the girls, to hijack the girls. My wife friends, do you understand? Thank you very much, Honorable Jury. And that's all.
Moderator, thank you very much, honorable jury. Thank you very much to give me the opportunity to say something on the topic. Money is power. My wife said, there is a common thing. Money is called the second god of the world. Do you know what? Of course not. But I know. You said, go to change to ever knowledge. But if you want to go to America, you need money. If you want to go to London, you need money. And he said, if you want to go to England, he needs money because the captain of aeroplane is not your Dulabhai. So, how is it possible for you to acquire knowledge without money? How is it possible for you to acquire knowledge without money? And he said, how is it possible to think about lost cost of living without money? So, of course, I have to admit, money is power. My wife said, I will say, I need a lot of money, I need a lot of power, and I need a lot of men. Knowledge will help you with it. I think if you have money, then you have value, you have knowledge, and you have no personality. But if you have no knowledge, then you have no value, you have no personality, and you have no knowledge. So, at first money is power, at last money is power, and sometimes money is power. My wife said, every man has a daily routine. So, of course, you have also a daily routine. When you get up early in the morning, then you respond to a natural call. That means you go to Latin. If your Latin is sanitary, that means your Latin may be perfect, that means good fit. Your Latin may be truncate, that means traditive. And your Latin may be jungle, that means forest. I will strongly say, you need no money. You can use a place for paying no cost, that means no money. This will deny money is power, and we cannot believe us. Money is power. My wife said, let's go to the daily routine bed. Secondly, you brush your teeth. You have to buy brush and paste with some money. Then, because it is everywhere in Bangladesh, my wife said, you will wash your hands and face. Then you have to use clean water, face wash, and soap. Am I right? Of course I am right. Think a bit. Where we can get clean water soap, where we can get soap, and where we can get clean water soap. Very simple. Listen to what I say. Clean water is available in the garbage and supply system. All other filtering systems. All are very costly. Then you need money for filtering out the system and making yourself fresh. On the other hand, if you use open water, that means open water of the river, open water of the canal, and open water of the pond. Then you need no money. Do you think what happens to open water? Of course not. Some people use open water as a Latin. Some people know their kinds of soap, hazel, black soap, the aromatic santalena, and soap.
Thank you very much, Honorable Moderator. Thank you very much to give me the opportunity to say something on the topic of knowledge is power. My wife friend, I think you are the Dukar. You are the hoggers of Dukar. You are the givers of money. Don't mind. I will try to mind my language. But your saying doesn't make it easy. Think a bit. You are blind because you cannot see anything in spite of having eyes. You speak anything in spite of having tongue. My wife friend, do you know why? Of course not. Because you have a we have a lot of knowledge, we have money. What is this? Payment wall is the threat of natural calamities. Our environment is going to lose the control day by day, almost every day. There's a lot of natural calamities, such as cyclones, freezers, flood, drought, tornado, tsunami, Nargis, Bilkis, Iblis, and so on. Have you been thought why this everything? Have you been thought what is responsible for it? Of course not, because you are the servant of money. My wife said, some people, there are a lot of different factories in our country. Most of the chairmen of the factories are not educated. They have no knowledge. So they throw their wastes into the water and making water pollution. Why is getting pure water? Stuff like man, Bigon and filtering water. Besides, they also being alcohol, sweet, Bangla moth, English moth. That means various kinds of water. Because they have money but no knowledge. That is why we are going to loss of control and making certain natural calamities. My wife saying, some people pay a lot of things for money. They are thieves. Some people listen to money back, golden thing, pocket money, only for money. They are businessmen. Some people take loans from the nearest one, but don't pay. They are called butlers. That means sestra. They are sestra. Some people kill others only for money. Only for money. Then are you killers? I will say, equal to the worst, only for money. Only for money, not for knowledge, not for the humanity, not for the human civilization. Then of course, we have no right to live in the society, to live in the country, to live in the whole world. My wife friend, you have no right to live in the society because you are a part of the society. My wife friend, the person who are wise always run after knowledge. Knowledge is their path, knowledge is their dream, knowledge is their food, knowledge is their everything. My wife friend, Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has established this knowledge. Throughout his life, all the prophets of Islam have established knowledge. Specific knowledge. Hazrat Isa Alaihi Wasallam has established specific knowledge. All the prophets of Islam have established specific knowledge. Hazrat Khaja Khan Khaja Waiskani, Hazrat Khaja Moinudillah Sisi, Hazrat Bharati Abdul Qadir Jilani have established this knowledge. Both the days, that means Siddhartha, have established this knowledge. Sri Krishna, Nimai, Baba Loknath, Brahmosari, Mahabirardhan have established this knowledge. My wife friend, money was nothing to them, but knowledge was everything to them. My wife friend, I would like to sing a song for you. Please listen to what I sing.
জ্ঞানের কারণে রে বাবা জ্ঞানের কারণে
I Muhammad জ্ঞানের শহর কিসের কারণে জ্ঞানের কারণে রে বাবা জ্ঞানের কারণে খাজা বাবা বড় হয়েছে কিসের কারণে জ্ঞানের কারণে রে বাবা জ্ঞানের কারণে ওয়াইজ করেন উম্মতরান কিসের কারণে জ্ঞানের কারণে রে বাবা জ্ঞানের কারণে হযরত আলী জ্ঞান দরজা কিসের কারণে জ্ঞানের কারণে রে বাবা জ্ঞানের কারণে রশিদ ফকির মনের ঘরে কিসের কারণে জ্ঞানের কারণে রে বাবা জ্ঞানের কারণে জিন্দা বাবা জিন্দায় আছে কিসের কারণে জ্ঞানের কারণে রে বাবা জ্ঞানের কারণে আল্লাহ বাদান আল্লাহর ওলি কিসের কারণে জ্ঞানের কারণে রে বাবা জ্ঞানের কারণে My question, on the other hand, I will sing a song for another. Is listen to what I sing. Sura Shair ku phalaise kicher karone, takar karone, re baba takar karone. Korer mayer boro gala kicher karone, takar karone, re baba takar karone. Baber se bongi beshi kicher karone, takar karone, re baba takar karone. Beshi khaya diabetes hoyse kicher karone, takar karone, re baba takar karone. Juter mala golay dise kicher karone, takar karone, re baba takar karone. So doriya se sadaise kicher karone, takar karone, re baba takar karone. My wife saying, modernity is orders of science. A scientist can make the important things only for knowledge. Such as radio, TV, computer, internet, mobile phone, and important instruments of the man, which are very important for our human life. My wife said, they can only make the things important for knowledge. For this, they gain inspiration from the Holy Quran because the involvement institutions have included in Quran. So they research Quran, they read Quran for gaining knowledge, don't money. My white friends, now they are bound to say knowledge is power. My white friends, you said some time before, Orthodox Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said to acquire knowledge, you go to sin. But what is it? To acquire, yes.
And try to understand what I say. Knowledge does not give rights. Knowledge does not give shelter. Knowledge does not give shirt, pants, shadi, salwar kameez, punjabi. Knowledge does not give education. Knowledge does not give treatment. Knowledge does not give entertainment. That means recreation. And also, knowledge does not give knowledge. My friend, knowledge does not give, but money gives everything. How? Listen to what I said. If you need rice, then you have to go to market to buy it, and then you need money. Otherwise, you have to start. The bigger dig for rice, the worker work for rice, the farmer farm for rice. My friend, you have been reading a lot of books for about 12 years. Do you know why you have been reading? No or not, it does not matter. But I know, only for getting a good job. You are thinking you will be a doctor, will be an engineer, will be a lawyer, and so on. But why? Of course by money, but not for knowledge. My version, knowledge does not support college. Because when you have been admitted into Khalil Madani Degree College, then you have been paid 900 taka for admission. Otherwise, when you have been admitted into MA Rock Degree College Puri, then you have been paid 800 taka for admission. Then you say, sir, I am getting. That means what? This is my order. Admit me into a college. Because then you say, sir, what is idiot? Nonsense, go from here. Think of it. Where is your knowledge? That money is everywhere. My question, what taking education? You have been bought a lot of books. By what? Of course by money. If you go to some library to buy some books and say to someone, I am getting, give me some books. Of course you will take his stick to hit on your head. My question, let's go to a Kempur Hafsar, head of the Department of Bangla, Khalil Madani Degree College. He is very brilliant in Bangla. But when we go to him in private, we have to pay money in honor of him. Otherwise, let's go to A.K.M. Shubhotha, the best teacher of accounting, same. Our today's honorable moderator, M.B. Atar Rahman sir, then you have no money. Everywhere you are valueless. My honorable teacher, please forgive me. If I do wrong, my husband, I will strongly say, if you want to make a good result in the primary school certificate examination, you need money. If we want to make a good result in the junior school certificate examination, you need money. If we want to make a good result secondary school certificate examination, you need money. If we want to make a good result in the higher secondary school certificate examination, you need money. And also, if you want to be doctor, engineer or pilot. And but why? Only for money. So I will say, education is not the backbone of nation. I will strongly say, money is the backbone of nation. My question, the field of medical science, X-ray, operation, ultra are very, very expensive. Without money, man may die. Let's go to the field of television, TV, radio, drama serial, magazine, news and views. That means you can enjoy easily. But if you are money, because all are costly. My question, you are a duplicate of the basic demand even in this modern age. So I will say, you are unsmart, you are uncivilized, that means you are fair. My question, really, you have no money. You have to bigger mass. Then I will sing. Kaiya badlaise re baba, kaiya badlaise. Khichudite mukh lagaya to baro khaise. Kaiya badlaise re baba, kaiya badlaise. Khichudite mukh lagaya to baro khaise. Dhaniya khaniya kholo de aise. Kaiya badlaise re baba, kaiya badlaise. Beshi khaya aur hoya baat khete boise. Kaiya badlaise re baba, kaiya badlaise. honorable. Death is more honorable than beginning. So respect money and become a money man in the society. Then I will want money is power, and money is power. Thank you very much, honorable moderator. Thank you very much, honorable Lee. And that's all about me for the time.
Say something, can the audience to say something and knowledge is power.
Can you give me the opportunity to say something on the topic of knowledge is power? My wife friend, you are a man. Do you know what is power? Power cannot be seen. Power cannot be touched. In fact, power is the mental force of a man. Power is the totality of nature, of which the honor is only Allah. Because Allah is powerful. Knowledge comes from power. My wife friend, animal has animal power, cow has cow power, dog has dog power, and man has man power. Do you know what is the difference between animal power and man power? Man is the best creation of Allah, so his power knowledge comes from Allah. My wife friend, if you are a cow, then your power is Amba, Amba. If you are a cat, then your power is meow, meow. But I think that you are a man. You should not be a cow or cat. So of course I will say, money cannot be power. Money is one kind of paper which is made by Dusra Khata. That means Dadi cloth. My wife friend, make a question to your mind. Ancient man was not civilized. They did not know how to use cloth. Usually they understood the necessity of being civilized man. Think, did they understand it by dint of money? Of course not. Knowledge is the best thing we use. Abstract nouns such as love, performance, character, heroines. This cannot be bought by money. My wife friend, if you want to be a truly educated person, you have to learn from nature, because educational institutions have selected your syllabus, but a wise man may not have your syllabus. My wife friend, certainly nature does not want money. My wife friend, you say it. There is a common saying that money is called the second god of the world. It is 100% wrong. It cannot be correct, because it has been said in the Quran, Allah is one. He begetteth not, nor he is begotten, and there is none like unto him. So, if you are a Muslim, of course you have to obey the words of the Quran. Otherwise, you are a kafir. Let's go to the field of Hindu. It has been said in Gita, in chapter number 4, sloka number 12, there it is conspicuous and clear that God is one. My wife friend, the Bible has also proved God is one. The Tripitaka has also proved God is one. Then how do you say man is the second God of the world? Really, you are a man. You have abilities of growth and helps to meet challenge and overcome obstacles to progress. My wife friend, it ennobles our mind and refines our sensibilities. It also broadens our outlook and helps us become aware of our rights and responsibilities. My wife friend, you said that snow, powder, lipstick, chapstick, eyebrow, mascara, lotion, bathroom, potion, etc. If we buy, really we need money. But think of it, where has this come from? Of course from knowledge, because some knowledgeable person have created this from their knowledge. So, if it is not made, then what do you do with money? My wife friend, suppose you have bought it, but don't know how to use it. So, what is the benefit to buy it? My wife friend, I would like to tell a short story about it. Listen to what I say. My best friend, once upon a time, a man married a young lady, but his wife, very foolish. She had a lot of money, but he had no knowledge. One day, the man bought 3 lipsticks for his wife. She thought, what is it? What to do by the lipstick? So she added with Pandabat. That means before death rise. Her face turning to red color. Her husband speaking very angry and going to Shoshurabari. That means father-in-law's house. And reported about this in her mother-in-law. My wife friends, do you know what her mother said to her daughter? She said, Haramzadi, it has to be eaten with warm bath. So, do you think what happened? So of course, at first, you need knowledge about age animator. However, my wife friend, do you, even for a single moment, without knowledge? If you want to earn money, you need knowledge. If you want to work, you need knowledge. Even if you want to think something, if you want to think about something, of course you need knowledge. My wife friend, for example, any senior says to you, please give me a glass of water, but you give him a packet of Mola salt. Do you ever think what he said to you? He will say, you have no common sense, you have no knowledge. And you are also a gada, that means an ass. My wife friend, suppose you have a lot of money. So of course you have to learn how to use money, how to spend money. For example, you have only 500 taka note. Your wife said to you, go to market and bring something for today, such as rice, dal, vegetables and oil. Suppose you have only 2 family members, you and your wife. But you bring from the vegetable market 5 kg salt, 5 kg potato, 5 kg oil, but forget to bring money, bring rice. Do you ever think what your wife will do? She will take a mutashala, that means some short sweepable stick, and say to you, Naisha, why not die? Why not go away? And so on. One day she will divorce you. My old friend, because you have no common sense, you have no knowledge. So, it's better to come soon with us. My wife's friend, think other side. Man has 5 basic needs in his life. The first is education. That means knowledge, not money. My wife friend, listen to what I am saying. What I am saying. With her. It says in one way, knowledge is power, and knowledge is power. Thank you very much, Honorable Jury. And that's all about me for this idea.
Power. My wife said, you have made a question and you have answered the question that is what is power, but your answer is wrong. I am giving a good answer to the question. Now material, that is thinking or listening power is called power. When neutral metal is powerless, we know money begets money. So of course money is power, money has power, the man has power. My wife said, let's go to the future communication. The bus, trucks, microbus, a lot of vehicles are available on the road. If you want to buy a bus, you need minimum 10 lakh to 10 million taka. If you want to go anywhere by bus, you need money. If you want to buy a bicycle, you need minimum 6,000 taka. Do you understand? Without money, you are powerless. That means powerless. My wife said, present for that is mobile phone. We can very easily communicate with others through mobile phone. We can send messages, take photographs, use internet and solve the work of calculation. And so on. Dragonphone, Citizen, Axel, Ruby, Airtel are the different mobile companies in Bangladesh. What are the mobile phone you also use? So of course you load a lot of money in your mobile phone from transport shop. Without transport, your mobile phone is live. That means first aid. Money has the power to your mobile phone. So of course money is power. My wife said, come to reality. Nobody will love you without money. Your most nearest person, your father, mother, sister, brother. If you give money to mother will love you. If you give money to father will love you. If you give money to brother will love you. If you give money to sister will love you. Otherwise, you are spot in their eyes. My wife says, if you are married, you have 1, 2, 3 or 4 wives. On the occasion of Idul Fitr, on the occasion of Idul Adha, on the occasion of Merry Christmas, that means Borodin. Your sons will demand new shirt, new pants, and so on. Your daughters will demand new salwar, orna, kameez, and so on. If you are failed to meet her demand, they will never love you. So think a bit, who is their father, money or you, and so on. If you are failed to meet her demand, of course you will demand a new husband. My wife said, there are a lot of Muslims, that means Siam jewelers, in our country. Their life is very unbearable. Most of the Siam jewelers spend the night on the veranda of a school or a college or a mosque or in the open field. For a hand price, they connect paper. They are called sagai. They cannot take breakfast, lunch, dinner for all of money. They cannot call. Money is covered. My wife said, why no America is a developed country? Of course for money. Why Japan is a developed country? Of course for money. Why Australia is a developed country? Of course for money. But why Bangladesh is a poor country? Because Bangladesh has no money. My wife said, another cause is, but I am hungry. My shirt is very costly, but bought by beginning. I am jamming, one week by beginning. See, father, what is our position? Joseph has got A+ examination. Shaista has got A+ examination. Your dream was to admit into the City College, Thana College, or Commerce College. But why admitting to the Degree College? Of course, for want of money. And I will say, you are always feeling. My wife said, look at everything. Alcohol is made by money. All alcohol is made by money. Shabar is made by money. All Boltian is made by money. And is made by money. Poison is made by money. Without money, everything is useless. And even for taboo, that means everybody goes is made by money. My wife said,
Tanya Vishwas, Deputy Speaker Tanya Vishwas, on the topics of money power and leading speaker is
Honorable Jury, thank you very much to give me the opportunity to do something on the question of police power. My wife said, it is common say that police power, but there is no say money power. It's 100% wrong. You are making a millions behave like a man. You know this valueless. You do not know what you are saying. Do you know a policeless man is equal of animal? That is cuckoo, that is dog. Bira, that is cat. Bano, that is monkey. Then, who are you all trying to prove you are animal? It's a fan, isn't it? My wife said, you say it in the field of communication, bus, truck, bike, that is a lot of people are very costly. It's okay. But if you want to drive a bus, we have best knowledge how to drive a bus. If you want to drive a truck, we have best knowledge how to drive a truck. Even if you want to drive a bicycle, we have best knowledge how to drive a bicycle. Otherwise, we go to car. That is canal. So I will say your knowledge is valueless, your mind is valueless. My wife said, you say it is the age of mobile phone. Gramin, Citycell, Banglalink, Airtel, provide a lot of mobile phones. It's okay. But if you do not know how to operate a mobile phone, your mobile phone is valueless. If you operate a mobile phone, you have best knowledge on English because most of the options of a mobile phone are taken in English. If you make a bad use of a mobile phone, I will say your mobile phone is quite an about show. That is a devil word. So I will say knowledge power and man is Gurati. That is hard thing. My wife said, you say nobody will love you without money. You are a ghetto. You have no knowledge or knowledge. Of course your father will love you if you are a thief. Because his father, he has a plantation with him. If he doesn't love you, he is not your father, he is a haram mother. That is nonsense. Say, your mother will love you because he is a mother. Mother is only mother. Please never believe how things so. Because child 7 is under the foot of mother. My wife said, you say if you are married, if you have 1, 2, 3 or 4 wives. On the various occasions, they demand new shari, blouse, lipstick, chapstick, sunu, powder and so on. If you cannot give them these things, they will demand a new husband. What is wrong you are saying? I am Thanda. What kind of notice you are? Have you heard? The name of Kazrul Islam, who was a national poet.
He was very poor, but he was very wise. He had a lot of knowledge. He had no money. He had about 51 lovers. That means about 51 girls. Why a lot of girls love him? They love his knowledge, but not his money. They love his humility, but not his money. They love his words, but not his money. But the girl who demanded you have to say, he is not a girl. It is impossible. He is a common soul. That means there is for the world people. What friend? Who says money is the backbone of a nation? You are a man. Because nobody support you. Yes, children say knowledge is the backbone of a nation. Farmers say knowledge is the backbone of a nation. Fishermen say knowledge is the backbone of a nation. And you are a bigger man. You say money is the backbone of a nation. Sagole Kimaka. And Sagole Kimaka. The man, see everything, the God, eat everything. My wife said, do you know man is mortal, but knowledge is immortal. Rabindranath Tagore had died a lot of years ago, but his literature, that means knowledge, is still on my head. Nazrul Islam died in 1976, but his words is still on my head. So, he gave it, whose money is it? Knowledge or money? My wife said, Esra, Sesra, Moksho, Gazacho, Akbar, Bakar, all money, but all cannot has knowledge. The past has knowledge, the future has knowledge, the past has knowledge. So, my wife said, doctor and money by heart, of course knowledge. Teacher and money by heart, of course knowledge. Cleaner and money by heart, of course knowledge. So, knowledge heart. My wife said, at last, I will say, knowledge lives on mind. Where? Money lives in pocket. Martin will say, that is under a man. Martin will say, that is under a girl. So, how is it possible? Knowledge power is so deep. So, I will say, come to us. Active knowledge and say with one voice, knowledge is power, knowledge is power, knowledge is power. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for giving me the chance to do something as a leader of Bullock on the topic of money is power. My vice friends, I think each other debate competition is but it's a senior ghana and this is true because our opposite friends are jumping to and fro and saying what they like. Don't mind, please come to the relative. Suppose a cow never tries to income money. A cat never tries to income money. A tiger never tries to income money because they are not men. My wife friends, I agree. Knowledge is important, but money is more important. Look at the Europe countries, America, China, Japan, England, Australia, and so on. Every country is developed. Why? Because every country has a lot of money. Money is their power. My wife friends, every day some people are going to Malaysia for money, some people are going to Dubai for money, some people are going to Australia for money. It's the religion. My wife friends, all know Bangladesh is a poor country. Most of the people of Bangladesh are very poor. They cannot send their children into school because they have no money. For livelihood, children are driving the shop, managing bags, fishing, catching fish, and so on. But if they had a lot of money, of course they could be a doctor, pilot, engineer, judge, barrister, and even they could be the president of the country. Then they could be power. But for want of money, their lives are going to be spoiled day by day. So, I will strongly say, money is the precondition of power. My vice friends, come to the point, try to understand what is a relative. The condition is dictator Manikon's road is very dangerous, it is very narrow. When we get into the bus from Manikon's or another places, our mind always cry, Allah help us, Allah help us. And sometimes our mind say, Moilam, that means the condition is about to die. Do you know why? Because Bangladesh has not enough money. My vice friends all know load shedding is one of the greatest problems of Bangladesh. When electricity goes away, then we cannot read, we cannot write, we cannot see anything. The darkness covers us. Then we call our mother, saying father. We don't understand who is our mother, who is our brother, who is our sister, who is our father. Do you know why? Because Bangladesh has not enough money. My vice friends, of course you live in a house. Your house is made by what? Suppose your house is made by tin, cart, that means timber, big cement, sand, and your house is made by a lot of furniture. But if you say you have a lot of house, your house in the jungle, they are shell, that means frog leaves, they are cuckoo, that means lost leaves, they are banner, that means monkey leaves, and so on. So, if you are a man, of course you have to live in a house and your house is made by money. My wife friend, some days ago, the housewife has married. Suppose you are an invited guest in the marriage function. If you come to the function and say, If you come to the function and you need a gift for the house, for example, a dinner set or a hairstyle machine or a sari for his wife or a lot of money, but if you come to the function and say, I am Gani, I have some money, I am poking me, that means a bigger, give me rice, pulao, kurma, kalai, put that, then what happens? All say, bring mutashala, that means short is the and remove away from the function. So, money is honor, money is respect, money is the function, money is the gift, and money is power. My wise friend, man cannot live alone, so he wants company. Man has been living in the society with others for a long time. That is why man has many friends and you have a lot of friends. But if you have no money, then you have no friends. When you have a lot of friends, then Rohim, Karim, Jodu, Modu, Khalid, Malik, Jumina, Sumina, Kulsum, Al-Ambia, Kutkana, Fulbana, Mubjan, and Jabrizan, all are your friends. So, money is your friend, money is your society, money is your company, and money is power. My wise friends, today's program is a Carol program. David competition is a part of this program. Gokul, Balak, Shivli are the three bases of Baby Coaching Center. All the students are going to participate in the SSC examination. Jerusalem kit has been possible without money. Of course not. They have form fill up by money. They have come to English private by money. They have come to math private by money. They have come to account private by money. So there is no way to deny money is power. My wise friends, people experience sales their lives, so they have no money. Some people are some people are in prostitution, that means pension. They think how to maintain their family, they think how to repay their loan, they think how to educate their children, they think how to earn money. But they think, do you know why? They think so, only for want of money. So recover your frustration, recover your tension, recover your position, earn money, and change your lifestyle. And stay with one voice. Money is power, and money is power. Thank you very much, Honorable Moderator. Thank you very much, Honorable Jury. And that's all I was doing for the time.
And let's have an environment to speak on the topic of knowledge is power.
Thank you very much, Honorable. Thank you very much, thank you very much to give me the opportunity that our Bhagge, the OS doesn't come on the black person. Anyone earn if he wishes, but knowledge doesn't come to us because it is created by Allah. However, of course, knowledge but for money. So it should be slogan of all knowledge. I বলে কি এই কথাটি সবার ক্ষেত্রে চলে জ্ঞান ছাড়া মূল্য নেই এমন কথা হলে এই কথাটি কেবলমাত্র সবার ক্ষেত্রে চলে At last, I will say, come to us, ethic knowledge.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Moderator. Thank you very much, Honorable Jury. Thank you very much to give me the resource to do something as the leader of Balak on the topic of money is power. My wise friends, I think your logic is 100% always. You say civility costs nothing. Of course not. If you achieve education by money, then you may be civilized, otherwise not. You say Rabindranath Tagore died and Kazi Nazrul Islam died for a long time ago, but their words is still in our mind. Of course not. Their words is still in the book. Think a bit. You are not Gitanjali, but Gitanjali is a book. You are not Santita, you are not Bishop Sindhu. And also, without money, you are a Goraksik. That means forsake. Look at the book. Every book has been printed by money. So, there is no way to deny money is power. My wise friend, you say there is a far difference between money and knowledge. I admit there is a far difference. Money and knowledge. Money lives in pocket. So when we need the money, then we get the money. But knowledge lives in mind. So when we need the money, then we don't get the money. My wise friend, I think if you are a civilized person, but why are you going to be strong? Little our farmers, laborers, fishermen, and others. If the farmers do not give rice, then your knowledge get into time way, that means run away. So, poet say, সব সাধকের বড় সাধক আমার দেশের যে আশা, দেশ মাতারি মুক্তিকামী দেশের সে যে আশা. Please never listen them. My wise friend, if you make a question, are you a student or a servant of money? Of course I am a student. But your logic is wrong. All the students want to make a good result in the public examination because he wants to get a good job. He wants to make a better career. He wants to build up a better life. So he wants to earn a lot of money. My wise friend, you have made another question. I have participated in the debate competition. By what? Money or knowledge? Of course money. I have learned English from my school teacher Barmani. I have been learning English from my college teacher Barmani. I have been learning English from my MD Atul Rahman sir Barmani. So there is no deny money is power. So of course earn a lot of money, make a better career, change your lifestyle, and say money is power, and money is power. Thank you very much, Honorable Moderator. Thank you very much, Honorable Jury, and that's all I want to for the time being.
Mr. Monir Hossain, please come to her and take your loudspeaker and our next event, please try to. After this program, hello Mr. Monir Hossain, our secretary of the coaching center, who is our regular secretary. Please come to me and take your loudspeaker and run your next program.
Attention please, and I want your permission to use Bangla language.
Thank you very much. Now we can use Bangla language because our this program is on the basis of a 60th annual program 2012 for this reason. You can fully use
অডিয়েন্স আমরা একবার আমন্ত্রণ জানাচ্ছি আমাদের আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানে। আমরা উপভোগ করছিলাম এবি কোচিং সেন্টার কর্তৃক আয়োজিত এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থীদের বিদায় উপলক্ষে আয়োজিত ডিবেট কম্পিটিশন 2012, যেখানে চমৎকার লড়াই হয়েছে। শাপলা এবং গোলাপ উভয় দলের তার্কিকবৃন্দ তাদের সর্বস্ব শক্তি দিয়ে লড়াই করার চেষ্টা করেছে। আমরা অনেক এনজয় করেছি। আমরা আজকের অনুষ্ঠানের পরবর্তী ধাপে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছি। আজকে যাদেরকে কেন্দ্র করে এই অনুষ্ঠান আয়োজিত হয়েছে, যে সকল ছাত্রছাত্রী আজকের এই কোচিং থেকে বিদায় নিবে।
Thanks to the moderator. Give me a scope to say something about the SC Payroll program. Our today's program is SC Payroll program organized by the AB Coaching Center. Presented all the presenters, present the honorable chief guest, present the honorable special guest, and present all the honorable special guests, and present all the guardians, all the SC examiners of 2012. Namaskar. My dear friends, we are reading in this coaching center for a long time, and already we have made a good relation with one another. But now we go away from this coaching center, of course, because a good teacher is standing in front of us. My dear friends, I have done a lot of wrong, perhaps with you. Sometimes it's knowledge, sometimes it's bad knowledge, sometimes will and sometimes unwill. Please forgive me if I done any wrong. My dear friends, we have the mention of named the Atul Rahman sir. He is a great teacher. His contribution cannot be denied at all. He teaches us all parts of English, how to answer it easily. And I thank him a lot of, lot of thanks. And I requested him to pray God for us, so that we can make a good result in the coming SSC examination. And I cannot say more. So everybody requested to God pray for us. Thanks everybody.
সুপ্রদর্শক শ্রোতা, আপনাদের অবগতির জন্য আবারও জানাচ্ছি আমাদের আজকের এই মহতী অনুষ্ঠানের প্রধান অতিথি হিসেবে উপস্থিত আছেন আমাদের সকলের পরিচিত মুখ, ঢাকা খাজা রহমত আলী ডিগ্রি কলেজের বাংলার বিভাগীয় প্রধান জনাব একে ফজল হক স্যার। আমাদের মাঝে বিশেষ অতিথি হিসেবে উপস্থিত আছেন ঢাকা কবিদের হক ফিরোজ স্যার। আমাদের মাঝে আরো উপস্থিত আছেন জনাব মোহাম্মদ জাহাঙ্গীর আলম বিশ্বাস, সাংবাদিক RTV ও ডেইলি স্টার, সেই সাথে সাধারণ সম্পাদক মাদার ফাউন্ডেশন। আমাদের মাঝে আরো উপস্থিত আছেন বিশিষ্ট মুক্তিযোদ্ধা জনাব আব্দুর রহিম বক্স। আমি আয়োজক গোষ্ঠীর
উপস্থিত আজকের সভার সম্মানিত সভাপতি, মাননীয় প্রধান অতিথি, বিশেষ অতিথিবৃন্দ সহ অত্র কোচিংয়ের প্রান্তীয় ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাই ও বোনেরা, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজ আমাদের বিদায় উপলক্ষে যে বিদায় অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করা হয়েছে তা সত্যিই প্রশংসার দাবিদার। বিগত 2 বছর যাবৎ আমরা এই কোচিংয়ে পড়াশোনা করেছি। দেখতে দেখতে 2 বছর কেটে গেল। যদি বিগত সময়ে আমাদের চলাফেরা বা আচার আচরণে কারো মনে কোনো কষ্ট লেগে থাকে, তাহলে আমাদের এই বিদায়ী মঞ্চে দাঁড়িয়ে আমি সকলের পক্ষ হতে সকলের কাছে ক্ষমা প্রার্থনা করছি এবং সেই সাথে আমাদের সকলের জন্য আপনাদের কাছে দোয়া প্রার্থনা করছি। আমরা যেন ভালো রেজাল্ট করে অল্প কঠিনে সুনাম বৃদ্ধি করতে পারি। সবাইকে বিদায়ের শুভেচ্ছা জানিয়ে আমি আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি।
মিসেস হক ফিরোজ স্যারকে আমি ওনার মূল্যবান বক্তব্য দেওয়ার জন্য অভিনন্দন জানাচ্ছি।
আজকে এসএসসি ছাত্রছাত্রীদের এবি কোচিং সেন্টার হতে বিদায় সংবর্ধনা উপলক্ষে আজকে আলোচনা সভার সভাপতি অত্র কোচিং সেন্টারের পরিচালক আমার কাছের ছোট ভাই আতর রহমান, মঞ্চভূমিষ্ঠ আমাদের সবার পরিচিত কাছের মানুষ, আজকের প্রধান অতিথি জিজ্ঞা খাজা রহমতের ডিগ্রি কলেজের বাংলা বিভাগের বিভাগীয় প্রধান আমার শ্রদ্ধেয় বড় ভাই জনাব এ.কে.এম. ফজলুল হক, মঞ্চভূমিষ্ঠ আমার খুব একসময় খুব কাছের ছোট ভাই, আজকে অতিথি হিসেবে আমাদের পাশে আসন গ্রহণ করছেন জাহাঙ্গীর আলম, সাধারণ সম্পাদক মাদার ফাউন্ডেশন সহ বিশিষ্ট জার্নালিস্ট এবং অন্যান্য মিডিয়ার কর্মীবৃন্দ, মঞ্চভূমিষ্ঠ বিশিষ্ট মুক্তিযোদ্ধা, আমাদের ভিতর মুক্তিযোদ্ধা কম মুক্তিযোদ্ধাদের মধ্যে এখনো দু একজন মুক্তিযোদ্ধা বেঁচে আছেন, যাদের নিয়ে দেশ গর্ব করে, জাতি গর্ব করে, আমরা গর্ব করি। জনাব শ্রদ্ধেয় বড় ভাই রহিম বক্স, পুঞ্জাসার সহ অন্যান্য অতিথিবৃন্দ, কোচিং সেন্টারের অন্যান্য শিক্ষকবৃন্দ, স্নেহের ছাত্রছাত্রীবৃন্দ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে এমন একটা আয়োজন, একটা সফল আয়োজন দেখে অভিভূত হয়েছি। এতক্ষণ ওরা আলোচনা করছিল শুধুমাত্র জুমাবারের কারণে আমরা সংযুক্ত করেছিলাম, কিন্তু আমরা আরো কিছু শুনতে পারতাম, কিন্তু সময়ের অভাবে শুনতে পারলাম না। আজ অনেক কিছু বলার ইচ্ছা ছিল ওদের সামনে, কিন্তু জুমার নামাজের কারণে সেভাবে বলতেও পারছি না। তবে একটা কথা বলি, আমরা শিক্ষা দিই, ওরা তোমরা শিক্ষা গ্রহণ করো, কোচিং সেন্টারে শিক্ষা দেয়, শিক্ষা গ্রহণ করে। আমরা এতটা গোছালোভাবে তোমাদের তৈরি করতে পারি না। এই তৈরি করার পাশে আতোয়ার রহমানের অবদানকে অবশ্যই খাটো করে দেখার নয়, এর জন্য ওকে আমি আমার ব্যক্তিগত পক্ষ থেকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই। আজকের বিদায় অনুষ্ঠান আসলে এটা বিদায় নয়, এটা বিদায় সংবর্ধনা। কেন? একটা ছাত্রছাত্রী ভবিষ্যৎ জীবনে তার মুখ উজ্জ্বল করবে, দেশের মুখ উজ্জ্বল করবে, এই জন্যই ওকে একটা ইন্সপায়ার করা, ওকে উৎসাহ দিয়ে ও ভবিষ্যতে সুন্দর মানুষ হবে, ভালো মানুষ হবে, সেই প্রত্যয়ের অর্থেই আজকের এই বিদায় সংবর্ধনা। আমি তাই বলবো, যারা এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থী, তোমরা ভালো রেজাল্ট করো, তোমরা মুরব্বীদের, তোমার সিনিয়রদের আশীর্বাদ নাও, আশীর্বাদ দিয়ে তোমরা ভালো রেজাল্ট করে দেশের একজন সুযোগ্য নাগরিক হিসেবে নিজেকে চিহ্নিত করো। আমি বিশেষ কিছু বলবো না, শুধু একটা কথা বলবো, আজকের ডিবেটিং যে কম্পিটিশন শুনলাম, খুব ভালো লেগেছে, উভয় পক্ষ খুব ভালো বলেছে, কিন্তু আমি তোমাদের উদ্দেশ্যে এই ডিবেটিং এর মধ্যে দিয়ে আমি একটা কথা বলে যেতে আমার কথা শেষ করবো। একটা কথাই যে সক্রেটিস, নলেজ ইজ পাওয়ার, উইজডম ইজ নলেজ, এর প্রেক্ষাপটে অ্যারিস্টটল উনি সৎ গুণীজ্ঞান, নলেজ ইজ ভার্চু, এই কথা বলে ওনার টোটাল কর্ম পরিকল্পনা করেছিলেন। এই জন্য জ্ঞানের কোনো বিকল্প নেই। একটা কথা তোমাদের উদ্দেশ্যে বলি, তোমরা আদর্শ মানুষ হলে তোমাকে অবশ্যই জ্ঞানী হতে হবে। এই জন্য আমি একটা উদাহরণ টেনে শেষ করব। জর্জ বাইরন, ইংরেজি সাহিত্যিক, ওনার সবার নাম শুনে থাকবে। ওনার চেহারাটা খুব সুশ্রী ছিল না, আমাদের চেয়ে বিশ্রী ছিল, কিন্তু এত জ্ঞানী মানুষ, ওনাকে আমরা শ্রদ্ধা করে স্মরণ করি। ওই অঞ্চলের একজন শ্রেষ্ঠ, খুব সুন্দর একটা মহিলা ওনাকে প্রস্তাব করলেন যে আমি আপনাকে বিয়ে করতে চাই। তখন উনি বললেন, কেন বিয়ে করতে চান, আপনার কি উদ্দেশ্য? বললেন যে আপনার যে জ্ঞান আছে, আমি যে সুশ্রী চেহারা, আমার মতো যদি আমাদের একটা সন্তান হয়, আমার মতো চেহারা হয়, আর যদি আপনার মতো জ্ঞানী হয়, তাহলে তো সোনায় সোহাগা, এর চেয়ে তার বড় কিছু হবে না। তখন জর্জ বাইরন সাহেব উনি ওনাকে রিফিউজ করলেন, ওনাকে প্রত্যাখ্যান করলেন, বললেন কেন আপনি এটা কেন করলেন না? বলেন যদি এই ঘটনাটা তার উল্টো হয়, আমাদের একটা সন্তান হলো, সন্তান আপনার মতো জ্ঞানী হলো, আমার মতো চেহারা হলো, তাহলে অবস্থা কি হবে? এই জ্ঞানী মানুষের চিন্তা চেতনা এরকমই থাকে। এই জন্য আমার আজকে এই বিদায়ী সংবর্ধনা অনুষ্ঠানে সবার প্রতি আহ্বান থাকলো, তোমরা সবাই অনেক বড় জ্ঞানী হও, অনেক বড় হও, জ্ঞানের বিকল্প নাই, জ্ঞান নিয়ে তোমরা দেশের সেবা করো, মানুষের সেবা করো, এই প্রত্যয় ব্যক্ত করে সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে আমার কথা শেষ করছি। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
সভাপতি, দুঃখিত, আজকের অনুষ্ঠানে সম্মানিত প্রধান অতিথি জিসকা খাজা রহমত আলী ডিগ্রি কলেজের বাংলার বিভাগীয় প্রধান জনাব একেন ফজল হক স্যারকে তার মূল্যবান বক্তব্য দেওয়ার জন্য সবিনয় অনুরোধ জানাচ্ছি।
এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থীদের বিদায় উপলক্ষে আয়োজিত আজকের এই চমৎকার অনুষ্ঠানের সম্মানিত সভাপতি এবং পরিচালক এবি কোচিং সেন্টার, সফর সঙ্গী বিশেষ অতিথি মফিজুল হক ফিরোজ, উপস্থিত আরটিভির সাংবাদিক সহ মাদার ফাউন্ডেশনের সম্মানিত সাধারণ সম্পাদক, বিভিন্ন মিডিয়া থেকে আগত সাংবাদিক বন্ধুগণ, আমাদের মাঝে উপস্থিত আমাদের গর্ব ৭১ মুক্তিযুদ্ধের বিষয় নিয়ে সম্মানিত সুধীমণ্ডলী এবং প্রাণপ্রিয় ছেলেমেয়েরা, তোমরা যারা এসএসসি পরীক্ষায় অংশ নিবে, তোমাদের উদ্দেশ্যে কিছু বলার আগে আমি কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন করছি এবি কোচিং সেন্টারের পরিচালক সহ অন্যান্য যারা আছেন তাদের প্রতি আমাকে এই বিশেষ মর্যাদা দেওয়ার জন্য। আমি এবি কোচিং সেন্টারের মঙ্গল কামনা করে এই সম্মানের, আমাকে যে সম্মান দিচ্ছেন সেই সম্মানের জবাব দিচ্ছি এবং উত্তরোত্তর এই প্রতিষ্ঠানের উন্নতি কামনা করছি। আমি এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থী যারা তোমরা, তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে বলতে চাই যে আসলে তোমাদের বিদায় দেওয়া হচ্ছে এখানে স্কুল জীবন থেকে তোমরা বৃহত্তর পরিসরে তোমরা প্রবেশ করছে, সেই জন্য তোমাদেরকে বিদায় দেওয়া হচ্ছে। মূলত এটা বিদায় না, তোমাদের জীবনের মঙ্গল কামনা করা হচ্ছে যেন তোমরা বৃহত্তর পরিসরে প্রবেশ করতে পারো। তোমাদের সামনে সোনালী স্বপ্ন। এসএসসি পরীক্ষা অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটা পরীক্ষা। এই পরীক্ষার ফলাফলের উপর নির্ভর করবে অনেক কিছু। এসএসসি এবং এইচএসসি এই দুইটা পরীক্ষার ফলাফলের উপরে নির্ভর করবে তোমার জীবন কেমন হবে, তুমি কি হতে চাও, তুমি কি হতে পারবে। অতএব এই মূল্যবান পরীক্ষায় তোমার জীবনে সাফল্য আসে, এই প্রত্যাশা আমার রইল। অপরদিকে আমি আসলে যে সম্মান আমাকে দেওয়া হয়েছে সেই সম্মানের যোগ্য আমি এটা মনে করি না। আমার চেয়ে অনেক জ্ঞানীগুণী ব্যক্তি এখানে উপস্থিত আছেন, বিশেষ করে যারা সাংবাদিকতা করে, তারা একজন শিক্ষকের চেয়ে অনেক বেশি জ্ঞানী, অনেক বেশি দক্ষতা তাদের অর্জন করতে হয়। আমাকে এখানে বলা হয়েছে আমি প্রধান অতিথি, ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু বাংলা শিক্ষক, এটাই বড় পরিচয়। অধিকাংশ বক্তব্য ইংরেজিতে আসছে, মুগ্ধ হয়ে শুনছি, সবার বক্তব্যই বেশি চমৎকার মনে হচ্ছে। আর সফর সঙ্গী বন্ধুগণ মফিজুল হক ফিরোজ, কলেজে একটা প্রতিযোগিতার কথা আমার মনে আছে, সেই প্রতিযোগিতায় বিচারক মনোনীত করা হয়েছে আমাকে। আমি ওই প্রতিযোগিতার বিচারকে 3 জনকে ফার্স্ট বানিয়ে নিয়ে আসছি, অর্থাৎ আমার মনে হয়েছে 3 জনই ফার্স্ট। আমার আজকে উভয় দলের বক্তব্য শোনার পর এমনটাই মনে হয়েছে যে উভয় দলই ফার্স্ট। মফিজুল হক ফিরোজ বলছেন, আমার মনে হচ্ছে আমার বক্তব্যটা এক পেশে। উনি শুধু জ্ঞানীদেরই প্রশংসা করছেন, কিন্তু উনি যে 2000টা করে আসছেন এটাও টাকার দরকার। এটা টাকা ছাড়াও শুধু জ্ঞানী কাজ দিবে না, আবার শুধু টাকাতেও জ্ঞানের পরিষেবা বাড়ানো যাবে না, অর্থাৎ উভয়েরই প্রয়োজন আছে। আর যেভাবে বক্তব্য আসছে সব কথা ইংরেজি, চান বাংলা শিক্ষক এত ভালো বুঝিও না। যদি মঙ্গলজনক হয়ে থাকে জাহাঙ্গীর সাহেবের বক্তব্য, তাহলে ওনার 14 গোষ্ঠীর জন্য এটি হয়, আমার সহ। ভালো বুঝি না, এই জন্য জ্ঞানী মানুষেরা বলছে হয়তো বা ভালো, অতএব আমার 14 গোষ্ঠী যেন ভালোই হয়। আর দ্বিতীয় কথা, যে আমি আতাউর রহমান সাহেব এবং উবায়দুলের যারা বিতর্কে অংশ নিতেন, কি বলবো, আমি তো ভালো বুঝি নাই, বাংলা শিক্ষক। আমার মনে আছে মফিজুল হক ফিরোজের সাথে যেখানেই যায় আমার নিয়ে যায় সাথে করে কোনো সময়। এই জন্য বলছে কিনা থাকলে পাগল হয়, এই টাইপের মনে করে হয়তো বা হইতে পারে। সময় সংক্ষেপে আমাদেরকে মনে রাখতে হবে আমাদের সময়। সেটা হলে এক অনুষ্ঠানে নিয়ে গেছে, ওইখানে যাওয়ার পরে দেখলাম যে প্রতিযোগিতা ছিল টেবিল টেনিস। টেবিল টেনিসের প্রতিযোগিতা, আমার মতো মূর্খ এক লোককে প্রধান অতিথি করা হয়েছে। তো প্রতিযোগিতা শেষে ওনার মাইক দেওয়া হয়েছে যে আপনি কিছু বলেন। যে আমি কি বললাম, দুই পক্ষের পোলাপান বাইরে করলে একটা আন্ডা নিয়ে হে আন্ডাটা ভাঙবে পারলো না। আমি দুই পক্ষের কোনো পোলাপান নেই, ধন্যবাদ দিলাম না, ধন্যবাদ দিলাম যে মুরগিটাই আন্ডাটা পারছে সেই মুরগিটা। তাহলে আজকে কৃতজ্ঞতা ভরে আজকে আতাউর রহমানের পাড়াডিম থেকে যে বাচ্চাগুলো ফুটে বের হয়েছে তাদের পরিসীমা দেখে আমি মুরগি হিসেবে আতাউর রহমানকে সব ধন্যবাদ দিতে চাই, যিনি ডিম হিসেবে এতগুলো বাচ্চা প্রসব করেছেন, যাদের জ্ঞানের পরিসীমা আজকে এবি কোচিং সেন্টারের পরিসীমা পার হয়ে অনেক দূর পর্যন্ত সমস্ত বাংলাদেশ পর্যন্ত প্রসারিত হবে, এই প্রত্যাশা আমার থাকলো। আর যারা তোমরা বাচ্চারা যারা কলকাকলিতে মুখরিত করলে, আমি জানি না এতক্ষণ ধন্যবাদ, এরপরে প্রার্থনা আসবে কিনা জানি না। বক্তব্যটা বাংলা কথা তো কাজী নজরুল সব কথাই বলছেন, কিন্তু কখনো কখনো তো বলছেন যে সব কথার মধ্যে ওনার জ্ঞান গর্ব ঠিক থাকে না, আমারও তো ঠিক তেমনি কথাই। সেটা হলো আমরা এখানে যাদের গান শুনলাম, গানের পাখি দুই রকম আছে, একটা হলো তোতা আর একটা হলো কোকিল। তোতা গান গায় না, গান শেখানো হয়, আর কোকিল গান গায়। আতাউর রহমান সাহেব জানি না আমাদের সামনে যাদের গান শোনালেন তারা কি তোতা না কোকিল? আমরা তোতার বুলি শুনতে চাই, কিন্তু গান শুনতে চাই কোকিলের। আতাউর রহমান সাহেবকে আমি অনুরোধ করব যে তোতার থেকে যেন ওদেরকে কোকিল হওয়ার সুযোগ যাতে ওরা নিজেরা পায়, তেমন জ্ঞানে যেন ওদেরকে জ্ঞানী করে তোলা হয়। সবার মঙ্গল কামনা করে আমার বক্তব্য না বাড়িয়ে সবার উন্নত ভবিষ্যৎ এবং সুস্থ জীবন কামনা করে আমি আমার কথা শেষ করছি। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।
উপস্থিত ছিল আমাদের সম্মানিত প্রধান অতিথি এই যে ফজলুল হক, বিশেষ অতিথি মফিজুল হক ফিরোজ, আমার শ্রদ্ধেয় ভাই। পাশাপাশি উপস্থিত আছেন বিশেষ ব্যক্তিত্ব সম্পন্ন ব্যক্তিত্ব। আমি আর এখানে বেশি কথা বলবো না, কারণ আমি বুঝতে পারতেছি এখন কারো বক্তব্য শোনার ধৈর্য কারণ নাই। তাই আমি এই পর্যায়ে এখানে আজকের সভার সমাপনী ঘোষণা করছি। ধন্যবাদ সবাই।